In last episode number 26, we studied about a cone. We just started to study about that cone and we recognized its development will be approximate like this. Its developments end to end length will be 6556.3. Those all I have told in last episode, so I don't describe those all. Even if I just indicate about that cone's height and bottom diameter. We shall just go to that page. I had told you this all. I think you remember this all. This one also I had told you in last episode. This one also I told you in last episode. I told you I will just indicate the height of the cone and the bottom diameter. These two measurements we have. I just made a hand sketch. So, we think it has a height tapering to this side, but its tapering is only 1 degree. If its height is 30,000 mm and its diameter, bottom diameter is 2088 mm, then its degree will be only 1 degree. For teaching you, I just made a lengthy inclination. It is for making you understand. But remember, when we make this much of lengthy cone, sometimes we may be calling it is a chimney. Anyway, it is a cone. It can't be made from one shell. I have told you about it. So, last episode I have told you 2000 length type. Its inclined length is 2000. That's kind of 1, 2, 3, 4. That kind of so many segments of cones we will make and finally we will reach 30,000. This all I have told you. Finally, for recognizing this cone only, bottom cone only, we made a lot of calculations. Finally, we recognized the length. It will be about told 6556.3. How did we get this measurement? We shall just think about that measurement only. Last episode we got this measurement. So if you haven't seen my last episode, before seeing this 27th episode, you have to compulsory study my 26th episode. Otherwise, you may not be able to understand. We shall just recognize about 6556.3 length. How did we get that measurement? Before getting this measurement, I have told you its development can be done two ways. One is this 6556.3. First, we will find out. We have already found out it. This measurement from here to here, 6556.3, we will find out. Afterwards, there is a curve. So, this 6556.3 will be divided by so many equal parts and its parallel length to its curve portion will be recognized. Then also we can make this kind of curve. Its main reason is its radius is not an ordinary radius. Its radius is 59,008.19.8. It is impossible for all of us to make this much of radius type 1 compass, and we make a radius type curved line. If we use compass, it should be a small length. If it is a big length like 59,008 19.8, it will be very impossible. It will take too much time. It won't have accuracy. So recognize it's outside length to length. Outside length to outside length will be. Development's length will be 6,556.3 and its radius 59,008 19.8. I am not describing about this all because we studied about it. You have to see my last episode, otherwise you won't be able to recognize how did we get it. For getting this measurement, we have used the formulas P by divided by P is equal to perimeter divided by perimeter. One perimeter is major perimeter, another perimeter is minor perimeter. Both perimeters I have written in capital letter and in written. It is capital letter. It is not small letter. It is written type letter I have used here. Here also major perimeter divided by minor perimeter. MP by MP is equal to MD by MD. This formula we used for getting its degree and perimeter. We got this all, and finally we recognized its length will be 50. Outside to outside length will be 65,056.3 from here to here, and its radius will be 59,008 19.8. We have to make this kind of 2,000 inclined length, so many cones, then we will reach 30,000 length only. Total height is 30,000. For reaching 30,000, this kind of so many 2,000 inclined length type cones we have to use, because practically we won't get a single plate in the height of, or in the width of, or in the length of 30,000. It is impossible for rolling and for all purposes. So this all I described in last episode. You have to see it. We can just go to the next part, whatever that will be the remaining part of last episode. Okay, then I told you last episode two-way. This 6,556.3's remaining parts can be seen. One is this kind of way. One line will be 6,556.3. From this 6,556.3, so many lines, equal lines and parallel lines we will make, and its length will be smaller and its length will be bigger than this all. This length will be smaller than this all. And different lengths will be there. These different lengths will recognize, and we will get these all points, and we will make a curve with Spanish curve or that kind of anyway, because this kind of one radius type compass we can't make. That is one method. Another method is this. This is 6,556.3. This is from here to here is 6,556.3. Last time we found out it. From here to here, if it is 6,556.3 and this measurement is 2,000 and this radius is 59,008 19.8, then we will recognize this measurement first using trigonometrical calculations. Then we can make this curve slightly, but this point is there, this point is there. These 2 points, this point is there, this point is there. These points, if we mark with the scale, it will be a straight line that won't have accuracy. Actually, it is a curved portion. So one measurement we will find out from here to here. Like that, again, we will make one line, straight line from this corner to this corner, and its center portion, how much far away? We will recognize it is how much far away from straight line. Then we will get some more accurate curved line. If we get curved, projected part here, same part will be here also. First we will find out one measurement. Next time when we find out one more measurement, already we will get two measurements. It will have some more accuracy, but again recognize this portion is also curved portion. It is not a straight line. Again, first we made a straight line and its center portion length we found out. Its center to corner portion we made a line. Its center line length we found out. Again we will find out make a straight line from this corner to this corner, and its center will be slightly far away. Its curved portion will be slightly far away. From this straight line, how much far away this curved portion is lying, we will find out. First, we will find out one only. Next time when we find out one, we will get two measurements same time. Again, it has been divided. Then we get its center line from straight line to curved portion. Then we will get one measurement, but this measurement can be used here, in between this portion, in between this portion, in between this portion, in between this portion. It means in four portions we can use it. First straight line we will get one measurement only. It can be used in one place only. Next line is from here to here. Its center portion, straight line's center to curved portion's center we will get. That is also one measurement, but this can be used in two portions. Again, one more line we will make. Its straight line to curved portion center line will be one measurement, but this one measurement can be used here, 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 and here in four portions. Again, we can make one more straight line from here to here. Its center portion we have to find out center line to curved portion center line. Then we will get one more measurement. It will have some more accuracy. If we get this new measurement, same measurement can be used here, here. In between this portion 2, in between this portion 2, in between this portion 2, in between this portion 2. It means 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 8 portions. We can use this same measurement. Again, we have to make one more line for getting more accurate curved line. Then that measurement can be used in 16 portions. First measurement we used in one place. Second measurement we used in two places. Third measurement we used in 4 portions. Next measurement we used in 8 portions. If we make one more line, measurement, it will be used in 16 portions. Again, if we make a straight line and its center to curved portion center, it can be used in 32 portions. Like that, how much we can use, that much we can use and find out. Okay, we shall go to the development. Already we have got this measurement, 6556.3. Last episode we got it. Okay, come to the developments. Okay, this measurement is 6556.3 from here to here, 6556.3. First of all, we will find out this measurement. You know, this is 2000. In earlier pages, I had indicated it. I had shown you those all measurements. Okay. Same development I have drawn here, but here I have indicated its radius also. That's only. Same development. This is development from here to here, from here to here, and 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 from here to here. Finally, from here to here, then one development will be finished. Here to here, then one development will be finished. Then we made one line, its straight and center to the center of the curved portion will be find out. For that purpose, we have to use trigonometrical calculation. For that purpose, we have to use degree. What is its degree? Last episode we have found out its degree is 6 point something. How did we find out it? Last episode I taught you. So I don't describe about it. For recognizing that measurement, we used this length 59,819.8 this length, and from here to here is 6,556. Where is that? For getting that measurement, for getting that degree, first of all, we made its approximate development here. For that purpose, we used the formula P by P, perimeter by perimeter is equal to degree by degree. That is this, MP by MP is equal to MD by MD. This is major perimeter and it is minus perimeter. This is major degree, this is minor degree. Look to here. This is our development from here to here, and to here, and to here, and to here. Major perimeter is full round, starts from here and goes from here and continues here, again continues here, and full rotation we make, and again it reaches in the starting point. This is major perimeter. And minor perimeter is starts from here and ends here. What will be major perimeter? Major perimeter divided by minor perimeter will be a constant. If it is that is a constant, major degree will be, minor degree also will be same measurement. Then we can find out that degree. Major, for finding out major perimeter, we used the formula pi d. For minor perimeter also we have to use the formula pi d. I have told you those all. Finally we got pi is 3.14 and d, diameter is 11. Diameter is 1,19,639.7. How did we get that measurement? From here to here, we already found out its radius is 59,819.8. If it is 59,819.8, that is radius only. Then what will be the diameter? Radius plus radius, or radius into 2. Double this measurement with 2. Then we will get this measurement. 1,19,639.7. We can just use your calculator and double this measurement. 59,819.8. 59,819.8 is equal to, we got the measurement into 2 is equal to, then we got the measurement 1,19,639.7. We got pi d divided by pi d. This perimeter is this much and minor perimeter is pi is equal to 3.14 into d is equal to, minor perimeter means from here to here only. Its perimeter will be, what will be its perimeter? If we make one cone with this much, its diameter will be formed as 2088. We have first time recognized it. If one cone, whatever we are going to make, its diameter will be 2088. If it is so, it will be minor perimeter in this sketch. In this sketch, minor perimeter will be pi into d. Pi has been written already 3.14 and diameter will be 2088. Okay. If we use these two formula, we will get a constant measurement. I have indicated it here. 3.14 into above told measurement divided by this measurement. Then we get a constant that is 57.2987. P by P, pi d by pi d is equal to this much. If it is so, degree by degree, MD by MD, major degree divided by minor degree also will be same. So this measurement I have written here, it has been multiplied and yet I have written here. This measurement also multiplied and I have written here. If it is so, same thing can be done in degree portion also. P by P, major perimeter by divided by minor perimeter is equal to degree by degree. Means major degree divided by minor degree. This all I have indicated and taught you in so many episodes. So I don't describe those all. Okay. Major degree divided by minor degree also will be same as major perimeter divided by minor perimeter. These measurements I have written here. These measurements have been multiplied and I have written here. Same way 360 has been written to bottom, MD has been written bottom. Its measurement will be 57.2987. If it is so, 360 by MD also will be 57.2987. We have to find out MD, minor diameter. For that purpose, MD can be kept here and the 360 has to be taken to the opposite side of is equal to. If it is in top side, it will come to bottom side. If it has been multiplied, it will be divided here. So this 360 has been taken to left side. Then in this portion, one will come. One has come 1 by MD. Instead of 360 by MD, I have written 1 by MD. 1 by MD is equal to 57.2987. But we have to get MD, not 1 by MD. So we have to turn this MD to top side and 1 to bottom side. If we turn here, the left portion also will be turned. 1 by MD turned to MD by 1. Then we have to turn 57.2987 to bottom side and 360 to top side. So we got MD by 1. MD by 1 is MD itself. So we got minor degree is 6.2828. Remember this, we got the degree of this portion 6.2828. It has been written here 6.2828. Above, earlier I told its value and its value will be a constant. We multiplied this one, and its constant has become 57.2987. Same way, 360 divided by MD, 360 divided by MD, its constant also. 360 is divided by 360 is major degree and this is minor degree. Minor degree is 6.2828. This 360 divided by 6.2828 is also same degree, 57.2987. Okay, we shall just forget those all and we shall come to the today's episode. It had been already told in last episode. So only you think its degree is 6.2828. Come to the development. So if our development is from here to here and to here and to here and to here, its degree will be 6.2828. From here to here, 6.2828. We have just found out it, 6.2828. We have already found out it, 6.28. Then what will be the half? Why do we find out half? We made a line here. Already we have made one line. And it's sent to the center we have to make. Then it will be 90 degree. Through that 90 degree, we can find out length from here to here. If you find out this measurement, remaining measurement also we can find out. Okay, come to the trigonometrical calculations. 6.2828. Earlier I told this 6.2828 degree will be divided by two portions. Why? For getting one trigonometrical relationship with 90 degree. One, if we have to use trigonometrical calculations, 1 degree of triangle should be 90 degree. So this is a triangle from here to here and to here and to here, but that is in the 90 degree triangle. If we have to make a 90 degree triangle, to the center of this line, we have to make a line from center. Then it has become 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. If it is 90 degree, this one is 90 degree, we can find out the measurement of this one using the formulas sin theta or cos theta or tan theta. I have told you those all. Or we can use the formula a square plus b square is equal to c square. Which one can be applied here? It has to be recognized. Okay. So in this triangle, 6.2828 has been divided by 2. Then we get the point. This from here to here degree is 3.1414. Same degree will be, same half will be here also, 3.1414. Okay. With this 3.1414 degree, this is 3.1414 degree and this measurement is 59,089.3, 19.8. Using these two measurements, this degree and this measurement, we can find out the measurement from here to here. If you find out this measurement, we will get this measurement also. How? This is 59,089.8. That is the radius of this curved portion. If it is so, this measurement from here to here also will be same, 59,089.8. Here already we have 59,089.8 and this 3,278.1. What is this 3,278.1? This is the measurement from center to this portion. How did we get it? In development, we have already got 6,556.3. It's half is from center to end is this measurement, 3,278.1. This using this measurement and this measurement, we can find out measurement from here. For that purpose, we have to use the formula a square plus b square is equal to c square. In a square, we can use this is a square from here to here. We have to find out it. So in equation, we can write a square only. A square only. And what is b square? This 3,278.1 is B square. B square is B. So B square is 3278.1. A square plus this B square is equal to C square. What is C square? C square C is 59,819.8. 59,819.8. That is C. It's a C square. We have made one square also. In this measurement equation, A square has been written to here. 3278.1 square. Just find out in your calculator. Just keep my video in pause and calculate this square. Then you will get this measurement. I am not using calculator. Earlier I used calculator and I wrote this one. But you have to use calculator. You have to use protractor, scale, compass, everything you have to use, and A4 size one notebook has to be kept, and you have to write those all in your notebook, otherwise you won't study. Again, I am not using calculator and teach you because we don't have time. I have already calculated and written here. Okay. A square plus this is B square is equal to C square. This has been squared and this measurement has been got. You just check. But we have to find out A square. For that purpose, if this measurement has to be taken to the right side of this portion, if it has been added here, when it is being taken to right side, it will be decreased. It has happened. This measurement minus this measurement. 1 crore 7,45,939.6 has come to this place and it has been subtracted. A square is these two has to be subtracted. Then this measurement we get. It is a lengthy measurement, so I don't just tell its value. Actually, it is 356 crore and 76 lakh and 62,532. Okay, A square is this much. But we have to find out A. A square means 2A have to be multiplied. A into A is A square. But we have to find out A. A into A or A square is this much. A into A or A square is this much. We have to find out A only. If its square root is this much, its square root has to be find out. For finding out square root, we have to make this signature. This kind of one sign we have to use. Then use your calculator and find out the value of this 356 crore, 76 lakh and 62,582. Then you will get 59,729.9. Just take your calculator and find out. $356 crore 76 lakh and 62,532. 62,532. Its square root has to be found out. Square root of this measurement is, we get 59,729.9. We have got A is 59,729.9. What is A? From here to here is A. It is 59,729.9. If it is 59,729.9, what will be this measurement? We have to decrease radius. Radius is this 59,819.8. This is also 59,819.8. From this 59,819.8, we have to decrease this measurement. Then we will get this measurement. Just to decrease 59,819.8 minus 59,729.9. You do it in your calculator. This is 59,819.8, and this measurement we have now got. We have got it. It is 59,729.9. I have written this measurement here. Actually, this is the method of indicating dimensions lines in engineering drawing. Go with accuracy. Whatever engineering drawing says, same way give measurements and same way do lines. Then you will have progress in your engineering life. Okay, now we have got this measurement. If we have got this measurement, we will get this measurement. How did we get it? From radius. From radius. We decreased this measurement, then we got 89.9. From here to here is 89.9. So, first we told for finding out this development from here to here and here to here and to here and to here, first of all we will make one line that is not for cutting or bending. So just made a dashed line only. Its center portion to the center of curved portion. First of all we will find out. We have already got it. 89.9 we have already got it. Okay, now we have got 89.9. What will be the next step? Again line will be made. That will be dotted line because we want to cut it. That is a curved line. That is a straight line. Actually we need curved line. For its center also we will find out. Its center to the center of curved portion we will find out. Same trigonometrical calculation we will do. When we do this measurement, we will get two measurements together. This measurement and this measurement. Okay. Now we have got this measurement only. 89.9. In our development, now we have got this measurement. We have to find out the center line of this portion. That center line I have written here. Okay, 89.9. In development, I have written it. Just a sec. Finally, we will get this kind of one development. In this development, end to end, 65,556.3. It's a center portion to the center of curved portion. We got now, it is 89.9. Now we are going to make the center portion of whatever we have got here, that corner to the end of development. Its center we will find out. Then from there to the center of remaining curved portion we will find out. Okay, we can find out this. Don't look to this. We will find out this one. Afterwards we can look to here. Okay. Now we have got this 89.9. Okay, next step is make one line from here to here. So it will be a congested one when you do it first time. So I make one more triangle. I separate this triangle from its big portion. I have been making drawing another place. This triangle from here to here, from here to here, and from here to here. from here to here, and from here to here, and from here to here. I made this triangle to here. That measurement I have already written here also. It is 59,819.8. 59,819.8. And we have to make one line. Its center to one line will be in 90 degree to curved portion. That will reach in the center of the curved portion. This measurement we have to find out. For measurements to find out, what do we need? 59,819.8. Once again, I have written that 59,819.8. What will be this degree? You know this degree is 6.2828. I am not going to the previous page. In previous page, I have written it. If it is so, what will be this measurement? It will be 3.1414. We have already found out it, 3.1414. This triangle, this angle, cone, once again we wrote here, that is 3.1414. This angle is 3.1414. This angle is, this triangle, once again I have written here, from here to here, from here to here, and from here to here, from here to here, and from here to here. That once again I wrote here, and this degree from here to here is 3.1414. But we have to make a 90 degree angles for finding out this measurement from here to here. For that purpose, one line has to be made to the center of this line. Then it will become 90 degree. Then it will become 90 degree. If we have got 90 degree, we can easily find out this measurement from here to here. Here to here. We have this measurement. Already we have got it. In above earlier pages, I have told you about it, 59,819.8. You got this degree also. Total degree is 3.1414. If it is 3.1414, its half will be 1.57507. This half will be 1.5707. This half also will be 1.5707. So, using this degree and using this triangle's length, hypotenuse, we can find out measurement from here to here. For that purpose, we use the formula sin theta or cos theta or tan theta. For finding out measurement from here to here, in this formula sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, which formula we have to use? I am not telling about it again, because in earlier so many episodes I have told you about sin theta and its formula opposite sided by hypotenuse, and the formula cos theta and its equation is adjacent side divided by hypotenuse, and the third formula tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So I am not describing in this episode, 27th episode. Just see my 26th or 25th episode, then you can find out what is the relationship between sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. In this three formulas, which formula is applicable for finding out measurement from here to here? Cos theta we can use, because if we use cos theta, its formula is adjacent sided by hypotenuse. In this cos theta, theta is here, degree is here, 1.5707. And adjacent side, that is from here to here, we have no measurement, but we have to get it. So we can write adjacent side in equation as adjacent side or AS. And adjacent side by hypotenuse, we have already got it. This measurement we have already got it. 59,819.8. This measurement is 59,819.8. I have written it here. I have made this triangle only for not getting confusion. I avoided this portion and I just made a triangle from here to here, here to here, and from here to here, here to here, and from here to here, and from here to here. Then you won't have confusion. So using 59,819.8 and degree 1.5707, we are going to find out this measurement from here to here. Cos theta is degree is 1.5707. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side. We don't have adjacent side. We have to find out it. So we can write there adjacent side itself. Divided by hypotenuse, that is from here to here. Everybody knows hypotenuse the lengthiest side in one triangle. That will be the opposite side of 90 degree. Okay. Now hypotenuse 59,819.8. We have written it here. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Then we have to find out adjacent side. We have to keep adjacent side here in the right portion is equal to, and 59,819.8 has to be taken to the left side. If it is, so many episodes I have told, if it is in bottom side, when it will be taken to the left side, it will reach in top side. If it is divided in this portion, when it is being taken to left side, it will be multiplied. Multiplication has happened. So adjacent side is cos 1.5707 into 59,819.8. Just do calculation in your calculator, then you will get 59,797.3. Adjacent side is from here to here, that is 59,797.3. If it is so, what will be this measurement? Everybody knows from here to here is radius. From here to here is radius. If this radius is 59,819.8, if this radius is 59,819.8, from this 59,819.8, we have to decrease this measurement. That is adjacent side that we got 59,797.3. If you decrease it, we will get this measurement. It has been indicated in next picture, next drawing. Earlier we have got 59,819.8. This degree is 1.5707. Now we got adjacent side from here to here is 59,797.3. If it is so, the length from here to here will be this measurement minus this measurement. This measurement is radius. Radius is from here to here. Radius minus this measurement is this measurement. So 59,819.8 minus 59,797.3. Do it in your calculator. Then you will get this triangle. Once again I have written here 59,819.8. 59,819.8. 59,797.3. 59,797.3. If it is so, from this measurement 59,819.8, that is radius. This is radius. This is 59,819.8. This is also from here to here is 59,819.8. I have written it here. In the proper way of dimension indication, I have written it here. If it is 59,819.8 and the measurement from here to here is 59,797.3, then this measurement will be 22.5. You have to decrease from this measurement to this. This measurement has to be decreased from this measurement. Then you will get 22.5. What is this 22.5? In our development is from here to here and to here and to here and to here. In that development, total length first from this corner to this corner we have found out. It's a center to the center of the curved portion. First we found out, that is 89.9. Again we made one line from that portion to the corner. Through calculation now we have found out 22.5. This is 22.5. If we have got 22.5, here also 22.5. I didn't write here. But when you mark in plate, you have to, that time itself 22.5 has to be marked. Then we can avoid confusions. Okay, what is the next step? From here to here one straight line has to be made. Its center portion has to be taken. That center portion to the center portion of curved portion. This is curved portion. And we are going to make one straight line. Straight line to curved portion. How much far away it will be? From straight line, how much far away curved portion? It has to be find out. For that purpose, I am not writing these all triangle drawings. I am just taking this triangle only. I just made this triangle to here. I just made this line to here. I just take this line from here to here is to here. This triangle has come here. For not getting confusion, I drew it again. In this triangle, we have already degree and hypotenuse. Hypotenuse 59,008, 19.8. I have written it here. 59,008, 19.8. What is this degree? It is 1.5707 degree. This degree is, from here to here degree is 1.5707. Using this degree and this measurement, we can find out the length in between this corner and this corner. For that purpose, we have to make a line from here to here. One line I have drawn from here to here. It's a center portion we have to take. Center portion to the center of curved portion we have to make. I have drawn it here. Okay. We shall just find out. However, we have found out this measurement in earlier diagrams. Same way we can find out. For that purpose, we have to draw one triangle from here to here and to here. In next page, I have drawn it. $59,008 to 19.8. 59,008, 19.8. This degree is 1.5707. But we are 1.5707. But we are going to make a center line from here to here. When I drew it with the hand sketch, slight tapering has come to this side. Actually, it is not with the compass or it is not with the protractor. But from here to here, it will be a center line we have to make. Then 1.5707 will be divided by 2. 59,819.8 has been written in next diagram. 59,819.8 has been written next diagram. And the degree is 1.5707 has to be divided by 2 because we are going to one center line. Just divide 1.5707 divided by 2. 1.5707 divided by 2 is equal to, we got the measurement 0.7854 divided that measurement, we got 0.7853 degree. If it is 0.7853 degree, remaining half also will be 0.7